Have you ever wondered how the internet could be different, or what would look like if we didn't rely on big companies like Google, Facebook, or Amazon for everything? Well, that's where decentralized technology comes in. In this video, we'll break down exactly what decentralized technology is, how it works, and why it's becoming a game changer for everything from social media to finance. So, let's get started. Before we dive into decentralized tech, let's first understand the opposite: centralization. In a centralized system, all the control is concentrated in one place. For example, when you upload a photo to Instagram or send a message on Facebook, those companies have control over your data and interactions. But what if we could remove that middleman? What if there was no one company or authority controlling everything? That's what decentralization is all about. In decentralized systems, control and decision-making are spread out across many different nodes or participants rather than being held by one central entity. So, why does decentralization matter? Well, decentralization empowers individuals and reduces reliance on centralized authorities. Take finance, for example. With decentralized finance, or DeFi, you can lend, borrow, or trade assets directly with others without relying on banks or middlemen. That means no more waiting for bank approval, no hefty fees, and most importantly, more control over your own money. Decentralization can also make systems more transparent and secure. Imagine a voting system where no one can tamper with the results because the entire process is verified by thousands of computers all over the world. That's the power of decentralization. Now, let's talk about how decentralized technology actually works. One of the most important components is blockchain. Think of a blockchain as a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is decentralized because there's no single entity controlling it. Instead, everyone in the network has a copy, and all changes need to be verified by multiple participants. When transaction is made, it's grouped into a block. This block is then verified by nodes in the network, basically other computers that ensure the transaction is legitimate. Once verified, the block is added to the chain of previous blocks, creating a permanent record. This system is transparent, secure, and very hard to tamper with. So, where do we see decentralized technology in action? Let's take a look at some real-world examples. First, there's decentralized finance, or DeFi. Platforms like Uniswap and Compound let you trade and lend cryptocurrencies without a traditional bank or exchange in the middle. Next, there's decentralized social media. Platforms like Mastodon and emerging Web3-based social networks are built in a way that no single entity can control or censor content. You own your data, and you decide who can see it. And then, we have decentralized gaming and NFTs. Games like Axie Infinity run on decentralized networks where players own and control in-game assets. And with NFTs, people can own unique digital items like artwork or music without relying on a centralized marketplace. So what are the benefits of decentralization? Well, it offers more security as there's no single point of failure that hackers can target. It also increases transparency since everyone in the network has access to the same data. Another big benefit is control. With decentralized tech, you have more control over your data and assets. There's no central authority making decisions about your privacy or restricting access. Of course, decentralization isn't perfect. One challenge is scalability. Decentralized networks can be slower or less efficient than centralized ones. Plus, with decentralized systems, there's often no central authority to resolve disputes, which can create issues in certain situations. Despite these challenges, the future of decentralized technology looks bright. With innovations like blockchain scaling solutions and decentralized governance, we're likely to see more and more industries moving toward decentralized models. As we continue to explore decentralized technology, it's clear that we're on the brink of a major shift in how we interact with the digital world. A shift that puts more power in the hands of individuals, reduces reliance on large corporations, and creates new possibilities for everything from finance to entertainment. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of decentralized technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.